Imagine if you wanna create a surface and fill this area with the square tool. You know, we have 3 surface edges and we have 1 curve here. Okay, so let's go to the square tool. You see there are 4 sides here and we have 4 sides here. So let's pick them one by one. Okay, now it's done and it gives us a 5 cross 5 degree surface. We have to make 1, 2, and 3 tangencies. So let's click on each one and make a tangency, or just simply click on continuity and set tangency for all. For this, so what we can do is actually going to continuity of that edge and click on implied tangency. Implied tangency will create a tangency connection there. So if we check the tangency connection here, it will be okay. Here everything looks good, and if we check other tangencies, they are all okay.